How's it going? It's David from Luxury Shine Detailing. We got right here a Dodge Viper ACR 2017. We made this thing look like a toy. We ceramic coated it with feynlab Ultra version 2, and it just brought out the gloss and shine. Keep in mind that this is a garage queen. It's gonna be covered, but once you take off that cover, you're gonna get like the ultimate luxury shine underneath. This client here actually has 2 Vipers, and we're doing the same for both. It helps with a lot of protection on this vehicle, and it just pops. All right, so what we got here is ceramic Ultra version 2. If you take a look at the graph right here, this is all around the best ceramic coating to protect your vehicle. Its durability, its slickness, its gloss, its chemical resistance, everything is to the top of this chart. The only thing it doesn't have is self-heal properties. Now that's what you go into when you get into the self-heal plus or the self-heal light category, but right now this car, all it needs, because it's a garage queen, is ceramic Ultra version 2. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for even just participating and seeing our work and enjoying what we do, because we enjoy what we do and we put out the best. So subscribe, like this video, and comment down below.